In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check how many hours you have on Spotify. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, to do this, you need to request your data from Spotify. And to download your data from Spotify, log into the Spotify website using any web browser you want and go into your account settings. Choose Privacy Settings from the left-sided menu and scroll all the way down until you see Download Your Data. Here, you can choose between Account Data, Extended Streaming History, and Tactical Log Information. Choose all three if you want, and click Request Data. Please note that if you select Extended Streaming History and Technical Log Information, it's going to take a lot more time to actually receive your data and check how many hours you spend on Spotify. You will receive this data in your email, and after you download the file containing your account data, all you have to do is go to this website, stats.fm. Here you can log in using your Spotify account to import the account data you downloaded to your email. This website will read that data and it will tell you how many hours you have spent on Spotify. Alternatively, for a free and reliable method, you can open up your Spotify Wrapped of each year and it will tell you how many hours you spent listening to music on that year alone. I hope I was able to help you on how to check how many hours you spend on Spotify. If this video helped you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.